and welcome back to a really special video that has been basically a year in the works. So I saw an ad for a Barbie jacket, leather jacket, and as I started to look at their stuff, I noticed that they definitely were into like pop culture, you know, anything from like anime, what's happening in the multiverse land, DC land, you name it, they had it. He commented that he was actually working on the very beginning steps of a custom Sailor Moon jacket. Let's get in to this package. Oh my god! This is legitimately beautiful. And this leather that they used here, it's almost pearlescent. It's like a metallic blue leather. The white leather itself, I believe he said, is a sheepskin, and it is insanely soft, like butter. It's like butter. This is a custom embroider. When you unzip it, you can open and expose the lapel. So let's go ahead and put it on. I love the fit already. Yes, please. I'm here for it. I love it. You've got the zippers. They're functional if you wanted to open them up just to like give yourself a little bit more room.